Okay, ate. Okay, fire drill. Okay. Fire drill is a safe and orderly evacuation. So, kung sa pati safe, pati orderly. Ikikita, mag-evacuate kita. Kung pala kita ng mga rooms yaton, orderly, pati safe. So, nisisita, kumakita, magkitahan, correct. Nisisita kita sila, kami na kita, pero kukukore lang kaminada. So, we don't need to run. We have to just walk only but fast. Walk fast. Okay. So, hindi lang kita pwede mag-contact fire drill kay hindi nag-cooperate ang weather. So, we have only decided that we will just make our time an average of 6 minutes. Because the occupants at the back, may pa sila pwede sa ligayon. Okay, so, observation lang yamon, mas mga bata, yakin ang perdido. So, ang dapat account kita diyan ng mga bata in cases of emergency kasiberasan, isisita, ang mga teachers accountable kung sila mga students. So, kung ang mga teachers, sure ba kita kay sakitodo diyan sa mga estudyante?
Yes, mine. Yes. Complete.
Okay, so, I hope sakitodo. Hindi man kita pwede na todo at observer sa yung estudyante. Pero, I hope that kompleto sila. Kaya in cases of emergency, at yung mga disaster kasiberasan, wala na kita perdido mga bata. Okay. So, mas mga bata, kahit pa kita perdido sila. And, kita na eskwela, yung mga bata, yung mga anak diyaton. So, kita second parents, yung mga estudyante. Second parents, estudyante. Yung mga teachers, yung mga second parents. So, kakay kita accountable kung yung mga bata. Okay, so I will give the floor to my opinion for their observations also.
My observation ko is that at the same time, my recommendation is that for teachers to undergo at least a few hours of lecture regarding evacuation. Kasi I believe that although gusto namin yung estudyante, i-evacuate orderly, but for that to happen, teachers ang kawan to guide them. So, parang ang recommendation ko lang is that marami kaming gustong sabihin with regards to this drill, but this venue is not conducive. At the same time, parang mga estudyante hindi siya masyadong na-absorb agad. So, we will give information directly to the teachers, and the teachers will be the one responsible to give the instructions sa mga students. So, nasabi na ni Sir yung mga observations na brief, sa akin lang is